Allow me to introduce you to an invaluable tool for managing your dividends portfolio. After extensive testing of various methods, I have determined that this platform stands out as the most effective. Let's explore its features together. With Snowball Analytics, you can effortlessly create a new portfolio and add transactions to it. Let's kickstart by purchasing shares in 4 dividend-paying companies. By clicking here, you can view your holdings and delve deeper into your portfolio. Additionally, you have the option to include a cash position. Moreover, with access to the calendar feature, you can track your future passive income. Snowball Analytics offers several plans tailored to your needs, with the free plan readily available for immediate access. This enables you to explore the platform's capabilities and experience its convenience firsthand. For easy access, I've included a sign-up link. Simply register for free and begin managing your portfolio in the most efficient manner possible.